ROSEBUD AI app. So let's take a look. What is that? So here you can just see some templates. It's a new trending app. Go from text description to SaaS product, 3D game, app. So then you can just try to create, and then you have some templates. You can see like quick start templates, 3D mobile playground, AI pad. So for example, if you wanna, then you can just create it with the, so here's what you can create in here. And then make so here is like your overview, and then you have preview of it. They have assets, 2D assets, and then just like different types of assets here. And then you also have code here. So that's what you have. So there's some like you have classes here. So and then you have preview, and then so basically you can see like my games. You can save in your profile. You can edit and then it just basically does that. So basically it's just adding all the code. So, and then you will see it. So, and then you need to apply. So then you can see add dance state and animation properties to the pet character class, create start dancing, stop dancing methods with smooth animations, add a dance button to the mini game, handle dance state when starting mini games, create fun bouncing, rotating dance animation. So then you can just apply. It just takes some time then. And basically, then you can just copy the code and then you can just publish it somewhere. So that's pretty cool. It's a new interesting app. Anyhow, it's still a bit buggy. I mean, not buggy, it just takes time for all of this. If I tap apply, it's kind of supposed to work. And then you can just share this project. You can tap to publish it. And then you can just do it yourself. You can start from the templates or you can build it yourself. So quick start templates, build web app, build all types of games yourself. It's pretty cool. Group game. So then you can see all of these different apps, Twitter ROAS generator, TikTok viral hook generator. So not different types of apps here, a live Bitcoin price. So all types of games and apps here you will see. And then, yeah, that's just what you have here. So yeah, that's basically what it is.